Honestly, if you believe in yourself, then nobody can stop you. Not even you yourself. By the way, I'm 24 years old, in case any of you are wondering. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a highly requested video on my channel. To be honest, it has been requested since the very start, very start of my YouTube channel. Okay, not really the very start, maybe the first 2 years, after the first 2 years. But anyways, today is a super interesting video, and yeah, I'm going to tell you guys my journey of how I started a successful business at such a young age, and most of you know that already. That's why you've been requesting for this video, and for those of you who are new and do not know, I'm going to tell you my journey. So yeah, I'm super excited for this video, and if you guys want to see, then please keep watching. First of all, you're watching this video because currently you have no money, okay? And I get that. I mean, I understand your point, and that's why you've actually clicked on this video. I totally get you, trust me. But the sad part is you cannot start a business without money. You need money. So yeah, go and get a job. Just go and get a job. Go and work for 3 months. Go and work for 4 months. Go and work for 6 months, depending on the business that you want to start. How much capital does that business need? You can even start with half of that capital, or start with one product and sell that one product. Whatever your wish is, but you need money, okay? So I know you don't have money right now. I also started like that. So basically with me, I finished school and I just turned 18 years old, and so yeah, I turned 18 years old, and I have a business mind, by the way. So yeah, and I had friends who were like a little bit older than me, and they were all doing their own business, and they were all entrepreneurs. So I was like, whoa, am I the only one who is not an entrepreneur here? I need to do this. I need to do something. So yeah, anyways, so I went, and I was interested in makeup and all that kind of stuff. So I did my makeup course, which was there for like 6 months. I was done with it. Immediately I came and I worked hard. I started doing makeup for people, and yeah, I got a few clients and all that, because I used to do for myself first, so people saw like my work and all that, and it was pretty nice. So yeah, so I started doing for people, and trust me, I used to earn like only like $100 a month in like doing for makeup for people, like $100, maximum $150. So anyways, in the start, when I started doing makeup for people, I was just earning maybe even $50. So I did this for like 3 months. I was doing makeup for people continuously for like 3 months, and I had like $200 in my hand. I can even still remember, and $200 is actually 20,000 Kenya shillings. So yeah, I had that 20,000 shillings in my hand, and I was like, I'm gonna become an entrepreneur. I'm gonna start my own business, and whether it works or not, I'm confident that I'm gonna work hard on it, and hopefully, God willing, if I work hard, it's gonna work for me. So number one, first of all, I did not have the money, and you do not have the money right now. So you have to get the money. How are you going to get the money? Go and work, or go and do something that you like go and do your passion or something. Like, I was a makeup artist, so I was doing makeup for people. That's how I earned the capital of starting my business. Go and do a hobby or something that you get paid for, or something like that. You guys get what I'm trying to say. So get like an earning of like maybe 2-3 months, and it will totally help you to start your own business, trust me. And if you're really passionate of starting your own business and working hard, then it will work. But if you're lazy and just going to sleep, and it's gonna be like, I'll wake up tomorrow and I'm going to become successful. I wake up in the morning and I'm still the same. It's not gonna happen like that. You need to work hard. get it in your head. You need to work hard for it. Okay, it just doesn't happen just like that. So personally, what I did, I had the 20,000 shillings in my hand, and that was money that I worked hard for. And I was like, what if I lose this money? Then I was like, no, let me just take the risk. So I took the risk. Guys. At that time, ordering online and all this online kind of stuff was kind of new in the stuff. So like it was kind of new. Like even the people selling things online, like here in Kenya, were very few. There were like 2 or 3 people. Like yeah, at that moment, like it was only like 3 people, and I was one of the 3 people. So basically, what happened is that I just sat on my computer. I searched. And I ordered from a random website. I'm not even kidding. I ordered from a random website, paid them with a with my debit card. I paid them, and yeah, poof, the 20,000 was gone. So it was gone, and yeah, okay, it was not exactly 20. I ordered things for like maybe, I think 16,000, yeah, if I'm not wrong. I started with 16,000, so I ordered with like 16,000, and yeah, so they say that your things will arrive within like 30 days. So like I was like, yeah, I've ordered, now I have to wait 30 days impatiently. You know that moment you're like, am I going to receive this thing? Like, oh my god, I've just put money in it and I don't have more money. What am I going to do? And stuff like that. Yes, that's what happened. And then after 30 days, I got a call. Hi, is this Sonia? I was like, yes, this is me. You have some stuff, and I was like, what? I was so excited. I was like, okay, fine, I'm coming. That happened. I went. So I went, and yeah, and I had that 4,000 left from the 20,000. I had the 4,000, and I was still doing like a bit of makeup and stuff like that for people. So I had another like money. I think I had another extra 5,000. So I had like 9,000 at that moment when I went to get my things. So luckily I had that 9,000. So I went to get the stuff, and then I'm being told, ma'am, you have to pay this. This is your duty for the things you have brought into the country. I was like, I didn't know that I have to pay. I was so sad. I was like, what, I have to pay? I don't know. I've not even started this business. I don't know if it's gonna work. But anyways, I paid the money. Okay, guys, and it was, I think it was about, if I'm not wrong, about 7,000 shillings. Yeah, it was about 7,000 shillings. So I paid the money, and yeah, I took my things and I came home. So I took my things and I came home, and I started looking at the things, and everything was okay. Like some of the things come broken because obviously they're like, sometimes things are not packed properly and stuff like that. So yeah, and I decided after that, I arranged the things properly, put them in a nice box, put rings on this side, bracelets on this side. If you guys don't know, it was jewelry. So I did all the arrangements and all that kind of stuff. I was kind of excited also, and I said, let me open a WhatsApp group. So what I did, I opened a WhatsApp group, and I sent everyone the pictures of the things that I was selling. And I think at that moment I had like around 50 people on the WhatsApp group, because I had only like 50 contacts. I added everyone into the group, and yeah, I sent everyone the pictures and all that. And yeah, people were interested. I was like, wow, people are interested. And actually it was like trending kind of stuff that I had brought. Like they were good stuff, and you know, and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, people were interested in the products. I was like, wow, people are actually buying. I was so shocked. I was like, people are actually buying. Wow, I'm so happy. I think within 2 weeks I recovered my money. So I recovered my money. Then I said, oh, this business is actually going well, so let me open an Instagram page. So I opened an Instagram page. I named it SH Kenya, and people know that. I named it SH Kenya. I put a nice bio over there. I started posting pictures. People started following me, and yeah, I reached a very, very, very large following. And I was also following people, and so that more people can find out about it. And yeah, I got more and more orders, and with time I started doing huge orders, like doing orders for like birthday parties. Like, you know, sometimes some people do birthday parties, and they also want to gift their people, like their visitors who are coming, or baby showers and a lot of things like baby moons and all that kind of stuff. So I started doing like big orders also, and I started ordering a lot of things that were coming in, and yeah, I was super excited, and my business was very successful. I don't know if that was luck or what that was, but I was also praying, and yeah, also God helped me. So if you want to also be like successful and all that, I would suggest you also pray and also ask God to like guide you like to the right path in whatever business you are starting and all that kind of fun stuff. So yeah, one thing, you need money to start your business. Nothing's gonna happen overnight. You're not gonna go from here to here overnight. It just doesn't happen like that, guys. You need to work hard. You need to go through all the steps like the way I did. I went through all the steps. I went through a WhatsApp group. I started an Instagram page, and my Instagram page was still like doing like still not too well like in the very start, and then slowly by slowly people started getting to know me, and I was also working hard. I used to post all the time, and yeah, so people, you know, the more you post, the more people will start to get to know that you're selling this product. Plus the word of mouth was also working. So yeah, that's what I would suggest. So if whatever you want to do, whatever you are planning to do, it can work out if you are going to work hard on it. Remember that you have to work hard. You can't just sleep, wake up and just say, oh, I'm gonna be successful tomorrow. No, it's not gonna work out. You need to work hard. Yeah, so just know that I have worked hard, and at that moment I was just 18 years old, guys. So actually what I'll tell you guys, my idea of my business, like selling jewelry, basically I was new in the online thing, so that's why I was getting a lot of people, because I was still one of the 3 people who was doing this business. So yeah, there was not like too much competition, I would say, at that moment. And another thing, I used to sell like elegant and trendy things. You need to sell things that are good, and you know, that people will be attracted in, and or whatever you are planning to do. Actually, it's not about also selling and all that kind of stuff, whatever you are planning to do. So anyways, this is one of the things that I used to sell. As you can see, both the rings are silver in color, and both of the rings are like red, have a red stone. But can you tell which one is original and which one is just plated? Can you tell, guys? You can't tell, and that's what I used to do. I would sell, because I know that like nobody can afford like pure silver rings, like not everyone can afford that and all that. So I decided to bring like more of plated jewelry and all that kind of fun stuff. So this one is like white gold plated, and this one is pure silver, guys. I'm sure you couldn't tell. So yeah, that is what I used to do, because I know many people could not afford that. So that's what I did. I wanted people to enjoy like nice expensive looking jewelry, but isn't that expensive. That was my idea of this. So as you can see, people can actually think this is so expensive, right? So the last thing I want to tell you guys is that take all the challenges that you have to do whenever you're starting a business, and do it. You know, if you think too much, let me tell you one thing, if you're gonna sit and think too much, like me, if I would have sat and thought, oh my god, what if I order this, what if they don't send it, what if this, what if that, what you know, if I think of all that, sometimes you should take risks. You should take risks. Even if it's like a small little bit kind of risk, you should take risks and see how it's gonna go. And if it doesn't work out, then you can obviously do something else. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys learned something. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and if you guys want to know more about this, like more in-depth kind of video on this, I would definitely do this. But I've tried to share most of the things in this. So yeah, if I'm missing out on anything, please remind me down below so that I can do another video on that. I would be happy to do that. So if you, yeah, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. By the way, how does my hair look? Be honest. Be honest. By the way, it's super hot, okay? So don't be honest. I'm just tell me I look good. Bye.